So how to fix TikTok upload videos problem. So in this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok upload videos problem in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is very simple. Just go to the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks and then go to the Wi-Fi and make sure to disable the Wi-Fi and enable it again. After that, go back and go to the apps right here and go to apps, scroll down until you find TikTok. If you didn't find it, just search for it here in the search bar. Click on it like this, and then here on this page go to the notifications management and make sure to enable all the notifications, and then click here on force stop and go to the data usage and make sure that all the options are enabled. Go back and this time click on the permissions and make sure also that all the permissions are enabled. And now all what you have to do is an optional step. Go to the storage and click on clear data, clear cache. That's it guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe if this video was helpful.